The enchanted portal. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there stood a mysterious door. This door, however, was not like any other door. It was said to be enchanted, possessing the power to transport anyone who dared to step through it to another world. The villagers had always regarded the door with a mixture of fascination and trepidation. They whispered stories of brave souls who had ventured through the door and returned with tales of fantastical lands, magical creatures, and unimaginable wonders. But they also spoke of those who had entered and never returned, lost forever in the realms beyond. Among the villagers, there lived a young woman named Alara. She had always been drawn to the door, feeling a connection to the mysteries it held. Her curiosity and adventurous spirit drove her to make a decision that would change her life forever. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped and the wind rustled through the trees, Alara stood before the enchanted door, her heart pounding with a mix of excitement and fear. With a deep breath, Alara stepped forward and pushed the door open. To her amazement, she found herself standing in a breathtaking landscape unlike anything she had ever seen. Vivid colors painted the sky, and the air was filled with a sweet, otherworldly fragrance. Giant mushrooms with bioluminescent caps illuminated the path before her, leading her deeper into this mystical realm. Time seemed to blur as days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Alara's connection with the enchanted realm deepened, and she found herself becoming a part of its fabric. She learned to cast spells, speak the language of the creatures, and harness the magic that flowed through the land. Alara shared her incredible adventures and the magic she had learned with her village. Her stories inspired awe and ignited a renewed sense of wonder among the villagers. And although she now lived in two worlds, her own and the enchanted realm, Alara had found a way to bridge the gap between them, reminding everyone that the most magical journeys are often the ones that lead us back home. And so, the village flourished with newfound hope and a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of life, all because of the young woman who had dared to step through an enchanted door and return. The enchanted to bridge the young woman who had dared to step through an enchanted door and return with a heart full of magic. You can convert text to a video from here. The enchanted portal. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there stood a mysterious door. This door, however, was not like any other door.